Sometimes it is difficult to understand how holding a stick and swinging it at a ball is hard. From afar it looks easy, to say the least. The problem, however, is when you can't seem to drive the ball straight into the hole with one hit. If you are new at the golf course, then I already know the mistakes that you will be making, and that is why I have compiled a list of training tools to help you achieve the right posture, and consequently the perfect swing that will take the ball home. There are many products available to choose golf swing trainers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best golf swing trainers for beginners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SKLC Gold Flex Golf Swing Trainer Warm-Up Stick. The SKLC Gold Flex Golf Swing isn't very different from the Swing Sock, only that the Golf Flex seems to have much more weight when compared to the Swing Sock. The Golf Flex has, therefore, been designed to help you perfect on your swing. The trainer is characteristic of a flexible shaft and some weight on the edge. The above combination allows golfers to work on their rhythm more naturally. You can, therefore, adapt it for practice before you hit the golf course. Additionally, the SKLC Gold Flex Golf Swing enables golfers to manage the movement of their upper and lower body torso as they work on achieving the perfect swing. As you play, ideally your lower body is first pushed forward, while the upper body is pushed back, and to perfectly achieve the above it might require you to do some practice using the SKLC Gold Flex Golf Swing. As you train with it, you will realize that the flexible shaft will pull you back as you initiate the swing, while your lower body is pushed back, so it consequently helps you get used to the right rhythm when initiating a swing. Number 2. Putt About Par 3 Golf Putting Green. You now don't have a reason for going to the golf course unpolished, because there are almost all types of equipment designed to help you sharpen your overall golfing skills. Take, for example, the Putt About Par 3 putting green mat, that brings the golf course to your backyard, garage, and bedroom for the golf lovers. The mat that resembles a golf course has incorporated target cuts at one end, and the contour shapes that you can find in a golf course have been cut out on the turf mat to give you a more natural feel as you practice out your putting swings. Yes, the slow swings seem the easiest to achieve, but one slight mistake will make you lose the game. Positive side of this product: are portable and compact. Can be used anywhere. Offers golfers a natural feel. Has incorporated different target cuts. Negative side of this product: not very convenient for professional golfers. Only good for teaching putting basics. Number 3. Swing Sock 8 ounces. Weighted Golf Warm-Up Trainer. The benefits of the Swing Sock to your golf swing skills might not be readily apparent, and truth be told, the last-minute practice might not be very effective as you prepare for your first round. Besides, it might impact your health negatively. The Swing Sock, therefore, gives you the freedom and opportunity to do your warm-ups from anywhere and at any time. The Swing Sock Swing Trainer is pretty easy to use, and all you need to do is slide the club inside the Swing Sock and close the Velcro flap. The trainers are available in a broad spectrum of weights and sizes that you can use to warm up, and you will also realize that your flexibility and strength are greatly enhanced, creating a powerful and wider swing. Your tempo, timing, and club release will also be greatly enhanced by using the weighted golf warm-up trainer. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.